Deals, deals. We're seeing some amazing pre-Black Friday deals. I got to share them with you. I think they are some of the best out there right now, and you're not going to find them any better. If you like finding tool deals, or if you just like knowing about tool deals like these that I'm fixing to show you, you could have already known about these if you would have texted the word deals to that number on your screen, 731-207-7151. I text out the best of the best tool deals regularly, but I won't spam you or message you early or late. All right, so here we go. Right now, super rare. This is the rarest of rare deals. Shapeoko has their Carbide 3D, or Carbide 3D has their Shapeoko line of CNCs on sale. I'm going to give you a little bit of buying advice if you're not familiar with them. But right now, you can get $250 off the Shapeoko 5 Pro. These do not go on sale very often, at most twice a year. And they've already been on sale once this year for only like $100 off. Now we got $250 off. Plus, this is what a lot of people are missing. There are 15% off everything else except the CNC. So you save $250 off the Shapeoko 5 Pro. And then if you add anything extra into the cart that's not a CNC, it's taking 15% off in the cart. And that's where you can save some good money. So you can also get $150 off the Shapeoko Pro, $100 off the 4, and then you've got the Nomad 3 and the HDM. So if I'm buying with my money, I have the 5 Pro 4x2. I think it is the best size for a garage workshop because you get a full 4 foot by 2 foot cutting area, and you can index. So if you wanted to do full sheets of plywood, you could do that with this machine, and it doesn't take up as much floor space as a 4x4. If you have the space for 4x4 and the budget, go for it. But this is what I would do. So I would get the 5 Pro, the 65 millimeter VFD. That's the spindle. The reason I say 65 and not the 80 is because I have 110 volt in my garage. Mostly, I only have one 220 outlet, and I don't want to plug that up with the CNC because my table saw's on it, and I want to be able to run everything at the same time. But if you have multiple 220 outlets, you may want to go with the 80 millimeter VFD. And then I would add the end mill starter pack and the Crush It Essential kit. And when you add all that to a cart, you're going to see the 15% off the spindle. You're going to see 15% off the starter pack of end mills and the clamp set. So you're going to get a good savings plus that $250 off the 5 Pro. But, you know, check these deals out. They're all linked in the description here of this video. All of these deals linked in the description, so you can go check them out individually. But go through these and see what best for you in your shop. And then I have on that link, there's a post here that kind of goes through what each one does and what I think, you know, the good uses for. Now, one thing Carbide 3D does say is the longer you wait on this deal, because it goes through Black Friday, the longer you wait, the longer your ship times will be, because as they sell these, they will extend the ship times out further and further. So that's, just be aware of that. That's the VFD or a spindle. If you don't know what that does, basically it's a better than a router. It operates more efficiently, has more power. And the great thing about this is it auto powers on and off as it does the job. So if it's cutting something and it needs a bit change, it'll stop the motor. It'll move over to where your bit change location is, and you can change your bit and then push go, and it goes back to work. And I love that it shuts itself off. Fantastic. And then the starter kit there is going to get you the most popular stuff you're going to need to get started. And what I like about Carbide 3D is if you go to my.carbide3d.com, there's free training there that teaches you how to use their software in their machines, which is fantastic. And then always having these little extra clamp kits is a good option. Next up, this is a very rare deal. This is the lowest price this Kreg router table has ever been. Again, linked in the description. It's $100 off right now, or right at $100. It's actually, what, 90 something off. It was $597. Now it's $499. If you need a router table, these things are rock solid. We have a Kreg table we bought for our laser room, and that's what the laser's sitting on. And it's just like this, right? Mm-hmm. And we bolted it together, rock solid. Doesn't shimmy or shake or anything like that. So it's a really good, nice, sturdy table. And then you get the top and the fence and all that stuff with it for only $499. I actually have this in the shop right now that I'm going to be reviewing in the next couple of weeks. Next up, lowest price ever. Again, I'll tell you, these are rare deals. If you want to dip your toe into flex, or if you just want to pick up some extra flex tools, right now you can get this set for $100 off. It was $199, now down to $99. So you can save some good money here if you're wanting to get into this flex. Comes with 2 batteries, the fast charger, and then those 2 drill and impact plus the carry case. So $599 right now, solid deal. Like this is about where these sell all the time on Black Fridays at $599. And so you're saving a couple $100 here based on the retail price or off of the retail price. Now, this is my pick for the best beginner or budget level table saw on the market. This is the Skil 10-inch saw. I reviewed it a couple years ago. Just a fantastic saw for this price. Right now, it's on sale for only $269. Also linked in the shop button and the description below, depending on how you want to look at it. But this is, it powers through thick walnut. It has a really good fence on it with that rack and pinion fence, stays square to the blade. Just a really good saw for only $269. It's going to be hard to beat a saw that does what this does at this price. That's why I like it. We still have free shipping on our hardwood kits. All you got to do is check the link in the description of these. Now, these come in different species and sizes. You just go through here and pick out what works best for you. A lot of these are live edge kits, so you can make charcuterie boards or epoxy trays and things like that. There are a few dimensional kits like this cherry dimensional kit right there. There's more dimensional kits coming, so be sure and check that link. Check this site often. And a lot of these are selling out pretty quick. So anytime we announce these, they start selling out pretty quick. And what's great about this, what I love about this, is what picture is shown right here. That's the kit you're going to receive. You're going to receive those boards that are on that picture. You're not receiving anything else. So if it's in that picture, you're going to be able to see it. So go check that out.
Hey, he took a breath. We've all been chatting about whether or not you were going to
take a breath. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll.
We've been waiting on you to take a breath.
All right. So be sure to go to 730woodworks.com and click on that tool deals button if you want to see all of my tool deals. I'm posting there every single day throughout the day, and you'll see a bunch more tool deals that are not mentioned here tonight.